Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. Have you ever made an ice cream sandwich using toaster waffles? Oh my gosh, they are fantastic. And the possibilities are endless. You can use any kind of ice cream you want. You can put jam on top. You can put fresh fruit. You can put hot fudge sauce. You can put marshmallow cream. They're just absolutely delicious. And this is my latest favorite. You want to toast your waffles in the toaster first thing and then let them cool down so it doesn't melt the ice cream. And then I like to buy, because these are round, I like to buy little pints of ice cream, and then I just saw right through the cardboard for a perfect circle like this. Look at how perfectly that fits on top of the waffle. The next thing I put on, oh, this is butter pecan ice cream. And I like to put a little caramel sauce on top of that. Because you know the salt from the pecans and caramel, salted caramel type thing. And then that adds as a nice sticky surface to put some thin slices of banana on top. Oh my gosh. It's kind of like a little bit of a banana split. I'm going to put the top on. Have a napkin handy. I was going to say, this is great to make when you have kids around. They would love these. But I'm thinking, wait, I think it's for adults. You could even set up a waffle ice cream sandwich bar where you could have different flavors of things. So it's a great summer treat, and I'm going to eat the whole thing.